Hey guys, it's Tash here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you only just found me by click on this video. Hello, so new, very warm welcome. I hope you like what you see and you decide to stay. So welcome to the first renovation vlog. So over here on my channel, as you guys would have seen, myself and my boyfriend bought our first house. Recently I just uploaded the empty house tour showing you guys around the house literally before we do any work to it. So the house is a renovation project. We are stripping the whole thing back to basics, so if you do want to go and watch the before, then go and watch the house tour, and you can also see some of our ideas of what we're gonna do to the house. I will leave that video linked down below, but I have decided that I do want to vlog a lot of the process. It'll be just so nice for us to be able to look back on. I feel like seeing progress like this is really exciting. Obviously it's going to be a really big project and at the moment we have a long way to go, but I feel like it's just going to be fun to vlog each stage. I feel like you guys are coming along the journey with us, so yeah, there will be quite a few of these renovation vlogs. It's just going to be updates of what we've been getting up to, how the house is coming along, what we've done to it. So yeah, it may seem a little bit slow at the beginning, but it's just getting those big jobs done at first. So because this house is a really old house, it's like a 1930s house, it doesn't even have central heating, so yeah, the first thing we are getting done is a plumber's coming in, we're getting a new boiler, we're getting central heating put in, and also we need to rewire the whole house, so we are booking in an electrician as well. So obviously they are big jobs, they're jobs that need to come first, and they're going to be quite expensive ones too. I will try and keep you guys updated on that sort of thing, just in case you are also renovating a house and you want to know like budgets and stuff. But so far we haven't actually spent too much. That's quite good. We've just spent a little bit on materials, so yeah, so far we haven't had to splash out too much, which is good. So in this vlog we focus on the kitchen and the lounge. This is just literally starting to strip things out, so there's a lot of wallpaper stripping going on. There is a start on the kitchen, like ripping out the whole kitchen. The boiler's going in the kitchen, so we're like prepping it ready for that plumber to come and put the new boiler in. So yeah, I hope you guys just enjoy some of the updates and just come along this journey with us. So without further ado, let's get on into renovation vlog 1. So guys, we have come to the house and I thought I'd just give you a little bit of an update. Not that there's much, but we're trying to come in the evenings at the moment and just get some jobs done. There's obviously the big jobs that are gonna start getting done soon, like we need to get all the rewiring done, we need to put in a new boiler, we need to get in some central heating. Those are like the big jobs that we're gonna start with, but until that can happen, we just thought we might as well come and just start trying to like strip it out. So Marcus has started on the wallpaper in the bedrooms, as there's literally wallpaper everywhere. Yeah, so today we've just been doing the hallway, which I'll show you in a minute. There's a few bits that don't want to come off, so we need to actually get like the wallpaper stripper. We have the wallpaper in the lounge, so we'll have to tackle the lounge as well. But most of it does seem to be coming off quite easily. It's just the odd bit that's quite hard. So I've been helping you out a bit today after work, but let me show you what we've done so far. So as you'll remember from the little house tour, and you can see obviously on this part of the wall it was this blue kind of wallpaper, so we're just stripping the hallway right now. As you saw, I was just trying to do a little bit of a tidy up. But yeah, Marcus is still at the hallway, so this is what we've done so far. These are just a few bits that we can't get off. Still quite a bit to do. Oh, you've gone up high here.
Yeah, just peels off the top.
Yeah, so we've done quite a bit of it. That's one good job done. And then we also are trying to make a start in the bathroom. So just basically getting off the tiles. Again, we need to have a bit of a tidy up, but we just need to kind of tackle the back wall. But again, he's made quite a good start getting them off in here. It's just about trying to get stuff done whilst we can. Yeah, just literally stripping it bare. So tiles are done in there. We obviously need to take the carpet up in there, but we've left it in for now. We have stripped the carpet in all of the rest of the rooms, so we did that on the weekend. And Marcus actually stripped this wallpaper off the other day. I'm pretty sure this one had like 4 layers of wallpaper on. So did this one take you ages, or was it really easy?
Nah, it took me quite a while to do that.
Yeah, because was it like literally layer after layer?
Yeah.
Again, a few little bits he hasn't been able to take off. But yeah, this literally had so many layers of wallpaper, but he's done a good job in here. And I think this room isn't wallpaper, so we're all right in here. That is the update for now. I think on the weekend Marcus's dad is going to come round with us and help us clear out the loft and also get the floorboards up in the kitchen, so I'm sure I will update you guys on that. And anything else we get up to, I feel like we might make a start of stripping out the kitchen. Obviously we showed you how we want to take out the back sort of wall, that area, to make it the sink and the utility space, like washing machine. I think he's going to start the prep for that and open that up ready, and then I think it will be like putting the boiler in. So yeah, we will just make sure to keep you guys updated when we can. It's probably going to be on evenings like this, but yeah, we've made a start. It's a long way to go, but we've made a start. Good morning guys, welcome back to house updates. Today we're tackling the kitchen. We're just trying to strip it out. We're getting rid of all of the sideboards, all of the cupboards, literally everything in the kitchen, and then I think Marcus's dad is going to tackle taking out this area. So guys, we've made quite a big update today. Everything does look a little bit of a mess, but I feel like it needs to get messy before it gets better. So I actually spent today stripping the wallpaper from this room. I had to use the steamer because, as you can see, I haven't finished this wall. Some of it was just really hard to get off, so I did a few time lapse of that, which I would have included, but I've nearly stripped the lounge, which is a good job done. My arms were literally starting to ache so much, but just need to do the fireplace. And then I think tomorrow Marcus is going to tackle the floorboards because we've ended up, as you can see in the kitchen, needing to pull up all the floorboards. We need to do new ones. So that's Marcus's job tomorrow. We're just stripping the walls back to basics, and the same with the floors. I tried to show a few clips today of the progress in the kitchen. So obviously if you saw the house tour, you would have heard how our plans were to open this up, and we're gonna actually move the sink over here. So the progress today was taking those walls out. We have the plumber coming on Monday to have a look, and just to get the ball rolling with that. Obviously we told you the next big jobs are to get the electrician in and the plumber, so yeah, we just thought we'd make some progress in the kitchen today. We have taken out most of the kitchen units, so most of those have gone today, which is good. It's open up the space, and then they've started to take up the floorboards to deal with the flooring. But yeah, progress on the kitchen today. It looks a lot bigger opening this up, and yeah, I can see the vision for it even more now. So this is the progress of today. Kitchen's ripped out, and then the lounge. So I just thought I would show my face on the vlog for today, guys. Those are the updates of what we got up to today. It's been a full-on day. Marcus's dad has been here all day. My dad also popped over and helped out a bit as well. We did some tip runs. But yeah, it's a start. We've made a start. I will make sure to keep you updated like this all the time when we're obviously actually properly doing stuff as well. I will let you guys know like costs and like materials we need to get, just so like you guys have a full sight into the renovation. If you were thinking of doing something like this similar yourself, you have a kind of idea of like how we've done it, our budget, what we spent, etc. I will of course keep you updated on that, and yeah, just the jobs that we get done. But yeah, today was the lounge and the kitchen, and I think the same for tomorrow. So stripping out at the moment, and then we've got the big jobs of the electrician, the rewiring and the plumbing. So yeah, that is today's little update, and I will see you guys back soon with some more. Hey guys, so you have to excuse my outfit. I feel like you're going to see a lot of these kind of outfits in the moving vlogs and then just looking dirty, but we're back today and I'm finishing the wallpaper in the living room. So this wall had like double wallpaper again, and it was not budging. So yesterday I got so tired, so we've come back today and I'm finishing it off. I literally woke up so achy though, did you, Marcus?
Yeah, I did as well.
Yeah, my arms are aching so much. But yeah, I am finishing the wallpaper in here. And Marcus, do you want to show what you've done this morning?
If I can.
You did the floorboards.
So all the floorboards have come up.
Yeah.
In the lounge.
Yeah,
as long as the joists as well, because they were all rotted and horrible, so they need to come up. And then same with these as well, they need to be redone. So a lot of work today, but it's been good.
Yeah, so that's today's updates. I don't think we're going to do too much else today. So yeah, it's just been the living room and kitchen.
Part of the kitchen.
Yeah. Hello guys, so it is next weekend. I don't have loads to update you on, but I just wanted to do a little clip. I have been de-wallpapering the upstairs literally all day. It's taken me so many hours. It's been such a long, boring job. I feel like all I've done is de-wallpaper, so didn't bother doing any time lapses as I feel like there are enough in this update vlog. But yeah, obviously at the moment, as you know, we're just stripping things out, so there's not too much to show, but I need to tackle this wall tomorrow, as yeah, I just haven't quite been able to do it all of today. I've pretty much done most of it, but it's taken me so long and I'm just so tired now. So yeah, I've tried my best, but this is the only update of today. Marcus and his dad are downstairs sorting out the floorboards, so I will give you an update on that at some point. But yeah, for me, I've just been on that wallpaper stripper all day. Oh, I'm nearly there, but it'll all be worth it in the end. But that is just the update for this weekend. As you can remember, it was all that yellow before. So we're getting there. I hadn't filmed an intro or outro for this video, so I'm just popping on now to do both. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy seeing what we got up to literally just for a week's worth of renovations. I'm going to try and keep these renovation vlogs quite often, obviously, as the big jobs that do happen, like the plumber coming in and the electrician, there won't be a lot we can do and there won't be a lot I can really vlog. Obviously I can sort of like show you a few updates along the way, and then once that has been done there's going to be a lot more going on. We're going to measure up the kitchen, we're going to go kitchen shopping, so there's definitely going to be a lot to come, but I'm not going to commit to these being weekly yet, just in case there isn't much to vlog. But if there are updates, best believe I will be vlogging them and they will come out to you guys in a video. So like I said at the beginning, the plumber doing the boiler is booked in for next weekend, and then we're just waiting to hear back from the electrician and the plumber who's doing the heating. So those are the things to come. I hope you did still enjoy the first sort of strip out of the kitchen and the lounge. I cannot believe how much wallpaper I've stripped. God forbid anyone that wallpapers their walls, please just don't do it. It is such a faff. I now hate wallpaper. That's been my main job throughout these updates, as you would have seen, but it's already starting to look a lot different, which is why it's fun to like have these process videos and process pictures. It's cool to just like see it all start to change and look different. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you are new here, definitely come subscribe. I would love to have you join my channel and join this renovation project with us. Yeah, that was everything from me this time this week with the first renovation vlog. There will be many more to come with many more updates. So yeah, thank you again so much for watching. I can't wait to see you guys soon with a brand new video.